Hello, today I will be discussing a developmental network using some of the characters from Jungle Book. In the first single mutant pathway, mutants lacking Mowgli result in Shere Khan not getting the red flower. This is because Mowgli is an activator, meaning with his presence, Shere Khan will get the red flower, and without Mowgli he will not. In the second single mutant pathway, mutants lacking Baloo will allow Shere Khan to get the red flower. In this case, Baloo is a repressor. This means when Baloo is present in the Shere Khan gene, Shere Khan will not get the red flower, which is why he gets the red flower in this example. In the third single mutant strain, genes lacking Bagheera will result in Shere Khan getting the red flower. This is because, like Baloo, Bagheera is a repressor, and without his presence, Shere Khan is able to get the red flower. In the first double mutant pathway, mutant strains lacking Baloo and Mowgli result in Shere Khan getting the red flower. This pathway could either go Baloo inhibiting Mowgli, then Mowgli activating Shere Khan, or Mowgli inhibiting Baloo, who inhibits Shere Khan. Given the statement above, the second pathway is correct, because if Mowgli were to inhibit Baloo, he would activate Shere Khan, who would in fact get the red flower. For the second double mutant pathway, mutant strains lacking Bagheera and Mowgli result in Shere Khan not getting the red flower. This pathway also has two possibilities. It could go Bagheera inhibiting Mowgli, who activates Shere Khan, or Mowgli inhibiting Bagheera, who inhibits Shere Khan. Pathway 1 is correct because if Mowgli inhibited Bagheera, he would be able to activate Shere Khan and he would get the red flower. Therefore, Bagheera must inhibit the activation of Mowgli so Shere Khan does not get the red flower. So if you were to put our double mutant strains together, it would result in Bagheera inhibiting Mowgli, who is inhibiting Baloo, who lastly inhibits Shere Khan. Thank you.